Hi, it's story time. Let's read story 5.10. A road trip. J. It's Sunday and I'm cleaning Dad's car. Tomorrow, my dad, mom, sister, and I start a road trip to far away. We will need 6 days to reach our target. We will need 6 days of food, drinks, and books to read. It will be fun. Joy, Jay's sister. What? Sitting in a car for 6 days sounds fun? Jay, we will have lots of stops to stretch and play, so we will be okay. Joy, what if it rains? Jay, if it rains, we can't put the windows down, so it will be hot. We have cool breeze napkins in our van, so we will be okay with the windows up. Joy, I am not keen, but I can't stay in our house. Son, 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 please. It's Monday morning. The sun is out. It's looking good. Jay, I can't see Dad. Mom, Dad is still in bed. Jay and Joy, what? The sun is out. The car is clean. Let's start our road trip. Mom, Dad is sick. He can't get up. Jay and Joy look sad. Mom, let's visit town and you can eat as much as you wish. Jay and Joy, yesterday Dad did just that, and now he's sick. Let's not repeat Dad's foolishness.